Welcome to SC Tech Boy. Today I will show you Windows 11 features. You can see beautiful look Windows 11 and let's start now. Uh, Windows 11 start menu first look in center and all apps in center and you can search your installed apps here just like important apps you installed and you can see start menu in center and user sign in, sign out, change account setting, log, and Windows power restart option here. Further, further you can see widgets. Yes, widgets. You can sign in and update weather and latest headline of your country, of your city. After sign in, you can see. And now open my computer. This is my computer look. This PC look you can see top bar and my computer properties. Select after selection my computer property you can check device name and complete your PC or laptop information here. Further we can see Windows 11 Pro Edition and version and installation date, OS build experience, product key, remote desktop allow, device manager, BitLocker, and you can join your laptop or PC domain here, domain change, domain part, system protection, advanced system settings, further Bluetooth and devices, add Bluetooth printer, scanner, cameras here, touchpad, pen, autoplay, USB, and network and internet connected, secure, public network 2.4 giga data. How much data usage in this Wi-Fi? I can see data usage and data usage, high data usage, Chrome 6.78 GB. You can add limit how much data use on your network in Windows 11. Now personalize, you can change your desktop, wallpaper, background, color, themes, lock screen, start menu folder, taskbar, font, device usage, and now check apps, offline apps, default apps. You can select default Chrome, default browser, startup settings, video playback, app, and features, accounts, your OneDrive account, sign in here, rewards, your username, your user local account, your info email accounts, further Windows backup, date and time set, and gaming, Xbox capture, gaming mode, accessibility. You can check text size, visual effect, magnifier, narrator, auto captions, privacy and security. Find my device, Windows security. You can on and sign in your email ID to locate your device or laptop location. and Windows Update. This Windows Update, and we can see snapping tool is best tool for capturing everything. Latest a snapping tool. A you can add PowerPoint highlighter, highlight this, highlight any area, crop, and many things you can do. You can see bar and many things, important things I was share you. I hope you like this video, like, share, and subscribe us for more tech related video. Thank you.